But about the up now.
Where are we? Up Gunners.
How you doing now?
Man, we did.
So Baba, I join us now.
When my blood they hot, they always they busy with Papa Sato. They always dey with everybody. Blood go they hot. You know what? Add me voice, I voice out. So it's so funny, right? The moment where I feel that I join us now, I swear I'm not gonna lie you. You see that time where Kanu caught that keeper, that Chelsea keeper, scored that hat trick against Chelsea. That was when my love for Arsenal grew. Sweetheart, what's up? I'm in the call now. I'll hail you later. so yeah, that Arsenal Chelsea game where Arsenal win 3-2. That was when my love became very, very strong. But I will also tell you, say it's funny because I just love Arsenal. Like even that time we didn't lose, that time we Devosuka lose a penalty for UEFA Cup.
Okay.
You know, as far back as I think like 2000 or something. Arsenal play with like Fenerbahce, or Feyenoord, one of these F clubs. If you Google them, you go check them. They lost that penalty. They lost that finals, UEFA Cup. Check them. So since then, bro, I never go back on Arsenal. Go back on Arsenal. Yeah.
But what push you go? Chena Davosuka make you join? What make you become Arsenal fan? Go. Who initiates you?
That Kanu goal. Then it can't be say when they come to play Champions League, yeah. When they come to play Champions League, I remember when I go sports center, all these sports center where they drink beer, they watch game. But when that game where they play against Real Madrid for Bernabeu, we Henry score. Baba, my love was mad. That game made me an amazing fan of Arsenal. Another highlight game for me, another game where they play return leg. I think it plays in Inter Milan. Where Inter Milan beat us for their home. When they come play us, we give them like 5-1 or so to qualify to the next round. So around that period, Arsenal has just been so much love for me, bro. Around that period.
Or I know you want. So what will be the improvements we would like to see for this Arsenal to be like this? So?
Improvement. Now I know say, in fact, right now I feel say we just need someone more energetic that can give us an upgraded version of the link-up play where Alex they give us, like I said, they give us, added with goals. So if person where they link up well with Odegaard na overseer, I they call him general overseer because he they see front. So anybody with it come collect ball, give him, run forward, make space for him, they go give this guy flank to the dribble coming, Martinelli. Saka go they do him for side. So from that final third, we're not going to get problem. This guy fits. I fit say make this guy go on loan. What's his name? Sambi. Make Sambi go on loan next season. It would be nice making go on loan. If we bring a stronger guy, if that Melo transfer fee happen, I think that guy will be stronger with Partey. You understand? Make Sambi go on loan, collect that one, then bring in person will be like Laka, upgraded version of Laka. We're going to give us goals, headers. We're going to give us heading goals. We're going to link up with Martinelli. They link up with Saka. So basically, I think we'll be playing more of that false nine next season as well, because that has been. If you see waiting Pep they play now, waiting Arteta they like they really do. But all he has been trying to do is really solidifying the defense area. We don't do well for defense. You know if he counts goals, where they enter our side. You understand? Yeah. So now where we did now for Arsenal. Now those places we there we did now for Arsenal. My I get low points for Arsenal. You get times where we say matches where we say my I raise my the way I take shout for Arsenal game. You know, the way I take shout, they can't break my heart. That one now when Arsenal play Liverpool Champions League. You remember that game? Arsenal play Liverpool Champions League. Till Walcott run from our post. Run. Give Adebayo game, make his score. Adebayo score
They
goal.
score immediately now.
Game on the end, then they chop penalty.
I remember now.
Wetin happen that day? Wetin happen that day was not easy for me. I could not sleep, I swear. I could not sleep. But yeah, Arsenal love all the way, man. Arsenal love all the way.
So what are your most memorable moments as an Arsenal fan?
Most memorable moments, make I think. Most memorable moments. So you see when Henry make us win Tottenham as we sign up Highbury. That moment I know if you forget them. Those goals when he score. I think we won that game 5-2 or so when we sign up from Highbury. So I really connected with Highbury because the place can't be small. It can't be like where they play 5 aside now.
Yeah.
Do you understand? You go easily. The fans they easily connect connect with the players. Maybe say that throwing line, too far from where the spectators.
You do counter attack. You don't reach post sharp.
And that time they use play PS that time through pass. Now where I learn my triangle from that time, if Vieira they give Henry through pass, if Beckham they give Henry through pass, so that game just sweep me that period. So that final game against Tottenham was a very memorable one for me.
Or I know you are. All right, I'm going to hear other people's stories. But plenty of people want to join the show. All right, thanks for joining.
Yeah, make I join with you. Yeah, cheers.
All right, come out.